In this video, I will be demonstrating how to crochet into the back loop only. The crochet stitch itself doesn't change for a back loop crochet stitch. The only thing that is different is the placement of the hook. Whether you're crocheting in rounds or in rows, the back loop of the stitch is always the stitch loop that is furthest away from you. Here are both loops of the stitch, and here is the back loop. So when you're crocheting into the back loop, you place the hook into the back loop only, like that, and then you complete whichever stitch it is that you're crocheting. So here again, here is both loops of the stitch. We want to crochet into the back loop only and complete the stitch. And once more, here are both loops of the stitch. We want to crochet into the back loop only and complete the stitch. And this creates a line of stitches along the front of the crochet work.